Hi, bud. What do you think about that empty cup? What about that empty cup? What? What's wrong? Okay, hold on. You want some more of this? Very few receivers can go on to make this look routine. I see it every week when I watch the Bengals play. Well, as Cincinnati might be moving down for a final game-winning field goal in regulation, you've got that. Well, they're showing Joe Flacco. He's warming up for the late afternoon game, Giants and Ravens. But let me just tell you, the Saints have the football. It's 3rd and 10. Dallas is calling their second time out. We'll let you know if the Saints get a first down, which could ice that game. Now the Cowboys will have a chance to drive downfield and potentially tie it. Ooh. Ooh. Put Cincinnati into the playoffs. That should do it. The Cincinnati. Ready? Right. Marcus Colston just caught a pass. That's going to be short of the first down, I believe. We'll see the spot on the clock. No stop, so I think Dallas just called their final timeout. But the Cincinnati Bengals on the foot of Josh Brown on the. Nom 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 nom. You ready? Yum yum yum. In the Cincinnati franchise.